It's about 6:45 right now. Look at downtown Tallahassee, and not quite as foggy as it is right over here by the station right now.
Right.
So I guess it's kind of depends on where you are this morning.
Yeah, well, that's how it always is when you get this kind of fog. But dense fog is one of our concerns this morning. So be careful on the roads this morning. You know the vermin are out there lurking. Temperature-wise, so warm. I mean, it's the middle of December, a couple of weeks removed from Christmas time, and we're starting off in the mid-60s in most areas. Yesterday, we saw mid-70s for highs. I think we get warmer today. And while some areas cool off a little bit more tomorrow morning, I don't think everybody does. Now, here's that dense fog advisory I'm talking about. From Jefferson County west in Florida, from Decatur County west in Georgia. And that doesn't mean we can't get some dense fog in Thomas or Lowndes or Brooks County. We certainly can. And we're going to find a bunch of visibilities less than a mile, probably all the way past 9 o'clock this morning. North and west, we see showers. We see a boundary that's going to try really hard to get down here by late tonight, early tomorrow. Now, ahead of that boundary, in this warm, soupy air, and we got plenty of warm, soupy out there, we can find a couple of showers develop, so I think we're going to keep the rain chances, around 40% for today. Not a big deal, not big-time rain, but I do think we can get some. And I think as the longer-range futurecast shows us, maybe a better chance to see some showers after midnight and before noontime tomorrow. Now, the clearing is going to be iffy tomorrow. North and west, we've got better shots. South and east, I think our chance is real small to clear out tomorrow, so we're likely going to find two very different forecasts on our Wednesday, with some brighter air to the north and some more cloudy to the south. But we'll see how things all play out over the next 36 hours. Thursday, we start looking west for the next energy to develop. That will be interesting to see if it brings with it the rain that I think maybe we can get on Friday. 66 right now in Thomasville, 67 Tallahassee, 68 Valdosta. Most numbers are right there in the middle and upper 60s. Throw that 82 out. Albany's sensors busted, but 61 at Wilma's one of the cool spots. The coolest Cross City this morning at 56. And here are those visibility numbers. So low in so many spots. Tallahassee, Quincy just 1/4 mile. Marianna just 1/2 mile. The big picture shows more of the same. And there's going to be a lot of really sloppy winter weather moving into the northeast. For us, we're going to be watching what's going on out here to the south and west, because this is our next potential real good soaker. And I think that looks to be on track for Friday. We've got a couple of days to fine-tune that for you. Out on the Gulf, we've got the dense fog advisory in effect till 1 p.m. today. Winds fairly light. There's a look at the tide times. Low tides getting started now. 50s and 60s become 70s, and some spots could flirt with 80 this afternoon. It's going to be warm. Tonight, I think we stay in the 60s. The rain chances still like 30 or 40%. Going to get a little higher during the first half of tomorrow. And then we cool off a little bit, but just a little bit. And we dry out, I hope, on Thursday before we talk about that next best chance for some real rain on Friday.